Your business runs on multiple different apps, and not one of them talks to the others. Those hidden blind spots are causing costly discrepancies, stockouts, and profit margin erosion. This silent drain happens because your inventory, sales, and finance data live in separate systems, forcing your team into hours of manual spreadsheet grind and constant firefighting. So, what if your ERP, e-commerce, CRM, and accounting systems perfectly synchronized as one automated FinOps hub? That's not a fantasy. That's Qurk. Qurk sits between all your apps and makes them work as one. Like an elite executive that understands your numbers better than anyone. Orders flow, stock updates automatically, and your finance data reconciles itself. One live, drilled-down dashboard shows you exactly where your business stands, right now. Not last week's export, now. Teams that used to spend days on reporting are now closing the books in under an hour. Recurring processes run themselves, and your team finally has the time and clarity to focus on growth. See exactly how Qurk would work for your product-based business. Book a free demo at qurk.app. It takes just 10 minutes to transform your business effortlessly. Plug and play today.